Sony just absolutely gutted Bungie, and I'm calling this right now. That studio closed down before the end of next July. The only sliver of hope that this studio had was Destiny 3, but that game we know has been cancelled by SIE. They were just not ready to take that risk. I'm calling this right now. Before the end of next July, in my opinion, Bungie will close down, and I'll tell you why. So, Marathon is not doing that great. Steam accounts for majority of the players for that game. Like 70 to 80% of that the player base for Marathon is from Steam. And the average player count of Marathon on Steam has been approximately 10,000 players daily, something like that, somewhere in that range. Now, this game did receive an uptick in players when the 2.0 update was released, but it has again gone down. And right now, I think as of now, it is somewhere between 4,000 to 7,000 to somewhere around hovering over 10,000 concurrent players, which is definitely not good for someone like Sony. So since Destiny 3 is cancelled and Marathon is it's almost on its last leg, tell me what reason does Sony have to keep Bungie around? They are not giving them the budget for their next game. Marathon is almost about to die. What do you think? Do you think they will absorb them? I really don't think so. I think, in my opinion, we will see before the end of next July Bungie closing down, and it is sad. Really, it is really really sad. But this is what's going to happen. In just all you have to do is just look at the numbers. They don't have any game. Marathon is on its last legs. What do you think is going to happen? 100% is going to close down. And slowly they will get rid of the staff and eventually they will close down the studio. So say goodbye. I love that story. Halo Reach is one of my most favorite games of all time. Halo 2 and Halo 3 as well. Even Halo 1. So, I mean, but this is not the same Bungie that we once loved. This is a different Bungie. And I feel sad for them. I really do. And you know what? I'm sort of angry also. But now I really want to see those neutral industry personalities like Greg Millers and Jeff Grubb. I want to see them ranting now. Like now, I want to see them calling Sony out, calling for their heads, calling for them to shut down their hardware or kill their brand, just like they called Xbox out. Because the amount of people that have been laid off from Bungie is, I think, almost equal to people from Compulsion, Ninja Theory. I think there's Obsidian and probably one more studio combined, Arkane also. So now I'm really waiting for all these media personalities to actually come out and, call for Sony's head. Because this is where the hypocrisy lies in the industry. This is where the hypocrisy lies within the so-called neutral media, so-called personalities who actually really care about the industry and they want one particular platform to die when the other platform is just doing just like coasting this generation. Do you think the media personalities will call them out? I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. And please, guys, if you want to support this new channel, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. This has been Bilal from No Respawn. Take care. Bye.